Right there, boys and girls, here we go. We are ready for day number 12 of our daily math. So, to get started, I'm going to read number 1 here, and it says, a piece of string is 1 foot long. If it is cut into pieces that are 6 inches long, how many pieces will there be? I'm just going to kind of move this out of the way a little bit. And this here is a ruler, okay? It is, can I get it all in there? There's 0 all the way to 12. Okay, it's our foot-long ruler. And I have these little rulers, and I see they go from 0 to 6 inches. So I'm going to put this down on the 0, and it goes right onto the 6 inches there. You see that? That's pretty nice. And then I'm going to put another one on. So this is kind of the piece of string. The blue is the piece of string right now. And we're cutting it into pieces that are 6 inches long. So here's a piece that's 6 inches long, okay? And here's a piece that is 6 inches long. And it makes its way all the way to this side. See that? So there's how many pieces? 1, 2. Yeah, that's a nice job there. It is 2 pieces. So again, a piece here that's 6 inches long, and a piece here that is 6 inches long. Awesome. My hands look really red right there, don't they? That's kind of creepy. All right, well, let's keep going. So 2 pieces. There's how many? Circle that next one. 2 pieces. Okay, next part of our question here is 590 minus 342. So we start over here in our ones column. 0 minus 2, more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. Cross out the 9, make it an 8, and bring the 1 over here to make it a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 4, there's more on top, no need to stop. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 5 minus 3, again, more on top, no need to stop. Good job there, nice little subtraction review. Number 3, Marley's teacher is 25 years older than Marley. Marley is 8. How old is Marley's teacher? So let's see. Marley is 8. And Marley's teacher is older than Marley. And if we add Marley with an 8, and we add 25 years older, so we have to add that, right? Because that's Marley plus 25 gives you how old the teacher is. Okay? So, how old is Marley's teacher? Well, 25 plus 8 equals what? 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 2 is 33. So, Marley's teacher is 33 years old. All right. Number 4, Taco's looking guilty. He says, I didn't do it. I'm not buying that, pal. Not a chance. Any of you dog owners, you know what I'm talking about. Number of times Taco ate slippers, garbage, people food, homework. Uh-oh. So this says, how many times did Taco eat people food or garbage? So here's people food, 25, garbage, 14. So let's add those two together, 25 and 14. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 2 plus 1 is 3. And if you notice, how many times was our next word? Times is also our label. That's why we do it, right? How many are magic words? Divide across and down. So we're going to divide 30 divided by 6 equals what? So let's think of it the other way. What times 6 equals 30? If we divide 30 into 6 equal pieces, it is 5. Good. Because 5 times 6 equals 30. So what times 2 equals 10? Yeah, so if we split 10 in half, it's 5. All right, now let's go 30 divided by 10 equals what? Or what times 10 equals 30? Well, I remember from our times 5s and our times 10s that that is a 3 because we did that one. You remember that? Balloon pop was one of them, and cotton candy. So 6 divided by 2. So what if we split 6 into 2 equal pieces? Here's 6 divided into 2 equal pieces. Here's an equal piece. Here's an equal piece. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. And the magic answer is 1 on that one. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 is the number 1's the mirror. Remember, it is what it is. So 1 times 5 would be 5, and 1 times 3 is 3. All right. Write down your score. Hope you did well with that, and we will see you tomorrow, boys and girls.